Allah swears by time, but not the word you'd expect. Arabic has more than one word for time. Dahr means time with no limit, endless, unbounded. But Allah didn't swear by Dahr, He swore by Asr. Asr means time that is limited, time being pressed, squeezed, running out. Scholars compare it to a man selling ice in the desert heat. He can't wait, he can't hesitate. Every second he stalls, his capital is melting in his hands. And then the verdict. Indeed, mankind is in loss. Not some of us, not most of us, every single human being, by default, already losing. Except 4 things pull you out. 1. Real Iman, belief from the heart, not just the tongue. 2. Righteous deeds, your salah, your 5 daily prayers, your good actions. 3. Advising each other toward truth. 4. Advising each other towards sabr, patience through whatever comes. So yes, you'll face people, seasons, trials that test you. But the road out of loss was never hidden. Allah handed you the map in 3 short verses. Your time is melting right now. What are you doing with it?